How to set maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings. To set the maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Microsoft Booking into your browser and then sign in to your account. And then on Microsoft Bookings, head over into that specific booking page where you want to set the maximum number of attendees to. So for example, I want to set the maximum number of attendees on this booking services. So in here, head over into the services tab and then go ahead and click on this add new service button. Since there is no option for you to change the maximum number of attendees in a service, you can only set it from a new service. So go ahead and set the service name. So for example, this is consultation. Consultation. Set this service name to consultation, add your description, and then you can go ahead and add online meeting, and then go ahead and set the maximum number of attendees into the sections. For example, you set the maximum number of attendees to 10. You can go ahead and set it to 10 and then click on the Save Changes button. So once you view this specific service, you will be able to find these Teams icon since you have set the maximum number of attendees to 10. This means that this is a group appointment. So if the field is grayed out, it means the service is set as an individual appointment, similar to this sample appointment. So as you can see, there is this label such as one-on-one service. So that is how you can basically set maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.